How to sign up for a new account on Elementor. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily go ahead and open up a new account on Elementor. First thing you have to do is open up your web browser and then simply go ahead and go to the search bar, search for Elementor. If you guys didn't know, Elementor is a software company that allows you to build your customizable websites. So all you have to do is go to elementor.com first. And here you'll get to the landing page. All you need to do here is go to get started. Now, if you already have an account, you could continue with login, but you can just create a new account from get started. Here it will ask you for your email. I have already entered that. And then it will ask you who you are building for. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on myself. Click on next. And then here it will ask you if this is your first Elementor website. I'm going to choose yes. Click on next. Then there are other few questions that you have to answer. So what type of website are you building? So let's say if it's for business or portfolio, let's choose this one. Click on next. And then if you have any hosting provider for your site, I'm not sure for that. Click on next. And the final question. Once you have answered it, all you need to do now is just head over to your Elementor's website. Now you can start with a free version as well, or you could just go ahead and pay for premium. Choose the plan that you want to continue with, and then click on buy now, and then you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.